Hello, this is Raina with LYLO Crafts coming on today with 3 more entries into my celebration birthday and anniversary giveaway. So I'll put a link to the video in the description below if you're interested in participating. There's a free part, which is a giveaway, as well as these entries are for the challenge part, which is a $50 prize, and it is open to both US and international. And I'm not feeling so great today, and so if I don't sound like my zippy self, that's why. Okay, let's jump on in. Okay, what a pretty card. Oh my gosh, I think these are pictures. I love that. And there's dream catchers in there and sweethearts. That's so nice. And it says, congratulations on your 1 year. You're such an inspiration. I wish you many more happy anniversaries. Thank you so much, Penny. And this is of Penny's Craft Creations. And I will put a link to her channel in the description below. She is an amazing crafter. She's so super creative. She's always inspiring. So please go and check her out and show her some crafty love. Now this is a perfect example of how creative she is. So these are paperclip twinchies. Isn't that awesome? So it has a hidden paper clip inside. It's got this layered up of the twinchies, and again, these sweet pictures, and I love me some bling. So these beautiful blingy bows in the accents, and then sweet heart lockets for dangles. How gorgeous are those? So beautiful. Thank you, Penny. I really love those. They are so pretty. And then here's her ATC card. Okay. Oh, how sweet. It's in a holder. Look at that. That's really cool that it's in a holder like that. Okay, so I love all the pink on here and this beautiful sun. Oh, that's so great. And another one of those pictures, so everything ties together. How beautiful is that? And I love the blingy. Again, I love the blingy. So let's learn about Penny. So Penny makes notes and totes, which are stationaries and bags on her website, which is penniescraftcreations.square.site. So I will put a link to that in the description box below as well. And Penny is from New Hampshire. Her birthday is in January, and her favorite colors are burgundy, sunset orange. Oh, I love the way that sounds. Pink, aqua, and black. So great. So love that. So love that. And then she gave me 2 more paperclip embellishments, and these have fabric. I love those. I really love those. Thank you so much, Penny. And then she also included this sweet embellishment box. Isn't that neat? Has all different kinds of bling in here. Little bling, bigger bling. And I especially love these sweet ladybugs. Oh, those ladybugs are so cute. So cute. So thank you for everything, Penny. I really appreciate it. And I've had such a hard day today, so it's really a blessing. Thank you so much. Okay, let's jump into the next one. Okay, this next sweet entry comes from Andre Gold, from New Jersey. And I'm so excited about this. I just love your crafting style. And let's look for the card here. Okay, so first look at this sweet pocket. Isn't that gorgeous with the dangle? And I love this flower on here. That's so pretty, so pretty. And look at this sweet paper. I'm definitely gonna put this in my journal. That's so pretty. And it has like a sagey green and these beautiful roses on there. Oh, that's so sweet. And then it has this sweet, cute card. Oh, I love the ribbon. And how sweet. Andre made it blank on the inside, so if I wanted to, I could reuse it. But, Andre, I'm going to be saving that. I'm not going to reuse it. I love it too much. And it says, hi, Raina. I'm fairly new to your channel, which is true, but I enjoy watching how excited you get over your goodies. Happy birthday and congrats on 1 year from a crafty friend, Andre. Isn't that so sweet? That is so sweet. Thank you so much, Andre. I just so appreciate you even thinking of me and wanting to send me something. That is awesome. And I wish all three of you good luck in the giveaway. So I'm looking for the ATC card. So I'm thinking it must be in here. I love this chenille with the sparkle. It's so great. And look at this. Look at this sweet flower. Oh my gosh, so neat. Okay, and what a pretty bag. I love hearts. I think hearts are good all year long. Okay, because love is the most important thing. Definitely the most important thing. Look at that. Crafty friends are the best. I so agree. I so agree. And I love the sweet birds and all the glitter on here in the background and on the actual chipboard. Oh, that's so pretty. Andre's birthday is on July 22nd, and favorite colors are pink, purple, and the style shabby. And Andre's favorite candies are caramels or anything I can get my hands on. I love that. I love that. That's perfect. That is so perfect, Andre. And then look at the sweet embellishments. Oh, handcrafted. These bows are gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And I love these bows too, with the hearts in the middle and this beautiful flower. Look at all that sparkle and shine. So pretty. And then look at these vellum rosettes with gold in them. Oh, just stunning. And I think you use stickles on this flower. So beautiful. So beautiful. I just love it all. I just love it all. Thank you so much. So much. Okay. Now let's jump into the last one. This one comes from Brian Dickey from Mississippi. And Brian's YouTube channel is B&D Crafts and More. And his birthday is November 4th. Favorite colors, red, blue, green. Crafty snack, Reese's Fast Break. I've never tried one of those, but I do love me some Reese's, that's for sure. And he likes all craft styles, and he likes to shop at the Dollar Tree and Tuesday morning. Oh, I don't blame you. I love the Dollar Tree, and I really miss Tuesday morning. I just love this ATC card. This is such beautiful paper, and the paper itself already has layering, and then he put some of these flowers, layered up flowers on here. It says, hello, friend, and then sent these two sweet flower embellishments. So I just love those. Look at the actual embossing on the leaves of these. That's really, really cool. I just love that. Thank you so much. So thank you so much, Penny. Thank you, Andre, and thank you, Brian, for your sweet entries and for lightening up my day a little. And I'm so appreciative of you guys for choosing to spend a little time with me today. And I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.